Our team coverage continues now. The storm brought strong wind that knocked out power to thousands of customers in the Fresno metro. Downed trees, branches, power lines kept repair crews awfully busy today.
CBS 47's Esteban Reynoso is live at 1st and Nice Avenue in Fresno, in Northeast Fresno, where crews are still working on repairs. Esteban.
Brian and Catherine, that's right. They're still pretty busy right behind me. You could see it here on 1st Street and Nice Avenue in North Fresno. Right now, what they've done is, because it's starting to get a little bit darker, they shined a light as crews continue to work throughout the night. What they've done is they've kind of set up a little winch here or a winch rather, that starts to pull the wire and connect the two power poles after this transformer fell. They say the storm was double the amount of power that they anticipated. PG&E crews working to restore power to over 30,000 customers affected by outages throughout Fresno, many of them overnight. Strong winds knocked over tall trees and branches that ultimately knocked out power lines and even transformers, like this one on 1st Street and Nice Avenue, completely blocking the road.
Yesterday in particular, it began to strengthen before it arrived. Almost double our impact, or our forecasted impacts.
Denny Boyles with PG&E says the majority of outages happened late Tuesday.
So we did have some customers, several thousand customers, that remained out overnight just because the repairs took that long.
Take a look at this map of the outages in Fresno from just hours after the winds started to pick up. All of those areas in orange, yellow, and green are customers affected. But look at almost a day later, a large portion of those outages have been fixed.
We use a system during large events where you try to restore the greatest number of customers first, which means, customers that have access issues or that one customer at the end of a long line might take a little bit longer.
Now, while crews rush to repair, they are also preparing for the next storm.
Forecast for the next one shows a lot more moisture, which is of concern to us. So, potential for more rain, brief periods of heavy rainfall, and it's the snow that could be an issue, especially for the foothill and mountain communities.
Now, PG&E did tell us that so far they've had no injuries. Luckily, nobody has been injured through these power outages or these power poles that have fallen over. They also told me that there have been more than 400,000 customers that were affected throughout their entire system from the storm last night. Live in Fresno, Esteban Reynoso, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.